So I've been very kindly being allowed to have a look around this. Now, this is a load of Maestros and Montegos and a GTE, I believe, convertible. So this is obviously not for sale, but it will be soon. The contact details of of the people that are selling all this stuff will be in the description. And yeah, you'll be able to contact them on there. Just don't, I'm not posting locations or anything because why the hell would I? Not going to do that. But here's the first one. It's a Maestro Turbo. It's a nice interior. Look at that. It's even got a speedo, a rev counter. Mine doesn't have that. No engine in it at the minute. God damn, it looks good. Look at that. Never seen one of these before. Not at a show anyway. Got a door for something. Got another Maestro. I think it's an MG at some point anyway. It's got the standard Maestro steering wheel, standard dash, door cards, nice seats. Been raced it seems. Unipart on the back there too. Very nice. Look at that. It's had the body kit taken off. That's what I've just came for. I just came for a body kit. Then you've got this gorgeous thing. Montego Estate diesel turbo. Can't remember what the engine is. You've got a full Maestro turbo kit in the back. A replica. That's for sale as well. And there's some sort of hatchback in there. Look at the interior on that. He's looking nice. And then of course, to the front, this is one of the ones without the valances, like this one here, the Countryman. So this one doesn't have the big extension. I think this literally just clips over, the look of it. But here's the star of the show for me anyway, a Montego Countryman. It's got all the original stuff in it. I'm not sure if he'll sell them whole. You can always ask. Go, look at all that. This one's a bit rusty, as you can see. Not the best thing. I don't know what this is for, but this is very interesting. It's a Rover boot liner thing around here. Look at that. Look at them seats. Gorgeous. Tax disc. It's really like the front of it and that valance. Lovely Montego grill. Emblem, badge emblem, whatever. Got the Countryman steering wheel in there. Very nice. Those trims are something of era, I assume. Kindness, cruelty, I'll agree with that. Back of there. Model is H-Reg. This is the car I grabbed some stuff off. I got all that and then the grille. The MG, EFI, so it's the 2 litre, I believe. Still got some bits for sale. That monster is not for sale, unfortunately. Look at the dash on these earlier ones. These were designed, you could literally take these out and move them over and swap them over. I think these older dashes look really nice. Yeah, and the compartments are a bit more useful as well. For the original Maestro, standard Maestro wheels and some doors. Yeah, this one's rather nice. I'm going to get the headlining out of this eventually. Look at the doors and all the door cards look brilliant. Slightly intense. So now I've got this little Metro. Look at this thing. So you've got some of them Edge Halford sub speakers in it. MG interior. Look at them seats. They're absolutely gorgeous. It is an MG 1300. Looking amazing. This thing, I don't know if this is for sale or anything. Astra GTE or Astra Cab. I think it's just a cabriolet. Damn, it looks nice. Look at that exhaust. Very oval. Yeah, that is. What a car. These very period wheels on. Look at them. They look amazing. Kids got one center ring. Yeah. Look at them headlights. The split headlights look incredible. What a nice car. So that's all she wrote for this one. This is just a really nice car. It's even got the racing releases on the bonnet. Look at them seats though. It's seen better days. All the bits for this will be for sale, or the whole car might be for sale, who knows. MG Owners Club racing team competitor. One of the best mounts I've ever seen for a bumper. And yeah, that's about that. So yeah, well, apparently all of this is for sale besides this until it's done, of course. I'm not going to give you the location because that's very weird. And would I hell ever give you a location? So again, thanks for watching, keep watching and subscribe.